Hello, welcome to Authentication and Authorization Part 9. Okay, here it is. Our key now must be saved in session local storage. Look at here it is. Okay, now I will log in. I'm going to log in. Email bean monkey bean.com, password bean, login, and look at in here, key here, login, and here is a token. We are logged. Here is a token. But when I new tab in Google and when I delete this tab, and again open, we are deloged. We are not lodged. When I look at in here, there is no token in session. Because of that is this saving token in session storage. In session storage is more secure than saving token in local storage. But you see difference in local storage. Key can stay always, and would be changed with new login. But when I said always, if we put that expired with 1 years, local storage will always, we would be always lodged. We would 1 year lodged, even though we switch on, switch off computer, switch off, switch on browser. Okay, thank you for watching this video.